At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a wholesale clothing business can be a lucrative venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the demand for wholesale clothing in your target market. Identify your niche, whether it's casual wear, formal wear, athletic wear, etc. Research your competitors and analyze their pricing, target audience, and marketing strategies. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, product offerings, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you secure funding if needed. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain all necessary licenses and permits to operate legally in your area. Choose a business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and consult with a legal advisor to ensure compliance with local regulations. 4. Supplier selection. Research and establish relationships with reliable clothing wholesalers or manufacturers. Look for suppliers that offer high-quality products, competitive pricing, and flexible terms. Attend trade shows, visit garment districts, or explore online marketplaces to find potential suppliers. 5. Inventory management. Determine your initial inventory needs based on market demand and budget constraints. Start with a curated selection of products to keep your inventory manageable. Implement an efficient inventory management system to track sales, monitor stock levels, and reorder inventory as needed. 6. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Create a memorable logo, website, and marketing materials that reflect your brand's values and aesthetics. Utilize social media, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and SEO to reach potential customers and drive sales. 7. Sales channels. Decide how you will sell your wholesale clothing, whether through a physical storefront, online store, or both. Consider partnering with retail boutiques, department stores, or e-commerce platforms to expand your distribution channels and reach a wider audience. 8. Customer service. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your clients. Offer personalized assistance, hassle-free returns, and prompt responses to inquiries or concerns. Positive word-of-mouth and repeat business can significantly contribute to your success. 9. Financial management. Keep track of your finances by maintaining accurate records of sales, expenses, and profits. Set up a reliable accounting system or hire an accountant to manage your finances efficiently. Monitor your cash flow and adjust your business strategies as needed to ensure profitability. 10. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, consumer preferences, and competitor activities to remain competitive in the market. Seek feedback from your customers and adapt your product offerings and services accordingly. Continuously strive to innovate and improve your business processes to stay ahead of the curve. Starting a wholesale clothing business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance, but with careful planning and strategic execution, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.